What you doing? What you doing? Where you at? Where you got plans? Don't say that. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Vidisha. I make fashion, lifestyle and bookish content on this channel. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure to subscribe to the channel. It means a lot. And if you don't want to miss any of my future uploads, then also hit the bell icon. Yeah. Anyways, a little while ago, I decided I want to try more Indian brands. As I try them, I want to talk about them on social media. So, I even started a voting for local series on my Instagram. So, if you're interested in finding those, here is my Instagram. You can follow me over there. I've even made a guide so that it becomes easier for you to find those posts. So yeah, and as I keep on trying more, I'm going to add them onto this guide. Anyways, in today's video, I will be talking about a few of these Indian beauty brands that I'm currently using more or less regularly. So I chose 5 of these products that I have been using a lot. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first brand and product that I'm going to be talking about is Wishcare and their pure and unscented glycerin. I have been using this regularly after getting out of the shower. I have really dry skin on my body, so no other moisturizer does enough of a job for me than pure glycerin. However, this is a little thick as pure glycerin is supposed to be, I guess. So I mix it with the Dabur Gulabari's rose water before applying it on my body. I really like that this comes with a pump, so it makes it very easy and convenient to use. However, I'm gonna recommend that wherever you keep it, keep a coaster underneath it, because sometimes if you're not careful while taking it out, a little bit of the product may get stuck to the mouth of the pump, and later on it may make the vanity or table, wherever you keep it, a little bit sticky. So I would recommend you put it on a coaster or something like that. Anyways, you can find this in their own website. I think it's wishcare.com. I'm not sure. I'm going to write it on the screen. You can also find it in Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, Purple, and all of those stuff, I guess. I'm going to put it on the screen. The MRP of this is 349 rupees for 250 grams. Okay, the next brand that I'm gonna talk about is called Saint Botanica. I'm currently using their antifrizz shampoo and conditioner. I actually got to know about this brand from a PR package, and I received the Go Color set. It says it's mainly for blonde and bleached hair, and I don't have blonde and bleached hair because I plan to bleach my hair at some point again, so I kept it for then. Since I really like the other one, I decided to get another set, which is the anti-frizz. My hair is really frizzy, and I decided to give it a try. I'm not gonna say it's a miracle product. It's not a miracle product, but I think it does what it's supposed to do. I haven't really found any miracle product that works on my hair against my frizziness of the hair. But this has been working better than a lot of other products that I've tried. However, I do need better recommendations regarding anti-frizz products. So if you have any recommendation, let me know. Anyways, the one that I'm using is the Go Anti-Frizz Shampoo and Conditioner Set. It's infused with coconut oil, shea butter, keratin and plant-based oils and extracts. It has no parabens or silicone or mineral oils. And this is each of them are for 399, as in total they are for 800 approximately, 200 ml each. Oh, by the way, I love the smell of both. Too good. I love it. Absolutely love it. Let's move on to the next product. Okay, next product is a mud bag. I have used this in in a couple of my vlogs, in one of my reading vlogs also, I don't remember which one. I've done 2 reading vlogs, in one of those I use this. I've been really loving this one called Roskin Essence Mud Face Pack. It's priced at rupees 999 inclusive of GST, and it also comes with a nice little brush to apply, and I really like that. I love the consistency of this product, as in one stroke from the brush, and a good amount of product comes out and it's not too liquidy or not too dry. I think it's a perfect amount to easily apply on your skin, and you just wait it to dry and then wash it off. That's it. Also, I really love the smell of this. Though I'm not sure if it's everybody's cup of tea, the smell. It's a little floral muddy. It smells like a nice little backyard to me for some reason. I don't know how to explain it, but that's what it smells like to me. Anyways, I really like it, and I'm gonna put on the screen where you can find this. Let's move on to the next product. Okay, the next product is VASU Facial Beauty Oil, enriched with Kumkumadi Tailam. My skin took a little bit of time adjusting to this product. I think skin generally takes a little bit of time adjusting to a new serum. When I started using the Klairs Vitamin C serum, initially it was like, what is this product? It's going against my skin. But one of my friends told me that that's how it works. And I decided to keep using it for a little bit, and my skin started showing results. And the same thing happened with this. On top of that, I think I was using the quantity of this wrong on my skin. I was using 4 drops. For my skin, maybe that was not required. I reduced the quantity to 2 drops. I use it as part of my night skincare routine these days since the past month or so. I use it right after using my toner. And yeah, I've been loving it and definitely recommend it. Up next is this product from Bombay Shaving Company. Precision Face Razor for Women. It comes in a pack of 3 for rupees 299, so 100 rupees per razor. It's made to remove peach fuzz from your skin. And I have been thinking about starting face shaving a lot over the past few months, and 2 months ago I decided to give it a try. Before that, I researched a lot. I saw what are the benefits of this and is it worth it? Okay, let me put some of the benefits that I found of face shaving on the screen over here. I'm gonna say before you try it on yourself, you should watch a few of the videos on as in how to do it. I love how my skin feels after removing the peach fuzz, and it has been very handy during the pandemic. I'm still scared to get my eyebrows done with this because I don't have very trust in myself. I feel like I'm gonna shave off half of my eyebrows, so I'm not using it on my eyebrows as such. I've been plucking my eyebrows, but for the rest of my face, I've been using this and loving this. I feel like the products seep in so well on your skin because there's no peach fuzz and the makeup looks less cakeier. So overall, I've been really liking it, and also this increases blood circulation. So another plus point, yeah. Okay, last but not the least, this is the latest addition to my skincare routine. This is the Aminu Nutrient Day Cream. I use it every day after getting out of the shower. 2 pumps for my face and my neck. Total of 2 pumps. This is for 2650. It's an expensive product, but I think it's going to last for a very long time. There's 1 more year for it to expire, so I have 1 more year to finish it. And I guess I'm gonna finish it before that. But it's gonna still last a long time because you just need 2 pumps every day. I feel a little bit of tingly feeling after using this product, and it feels like it's working. And I don't know if it's in my head or what, but I really feel like it's working. Since I have a dry skin, like combination dry to normal, I think this is the right amount for me. It's not too oily, it's a good one. I also love the packaging because it's a pump. I really like pumps in beauty products because it just makes life so much more convenient. I mean, why doesn't every beauty product come in pumps? I don't know. That's all the products that I want to talk about in this video. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 6 products. I think at the start of the video I said it's 5 products, but it's 6 products. So yeah, bonus. Anyways, let me know if you enjoyed this video. I wanted to just sit and chill and talk about these products with you. Let me know if you're using any new products and that is really good, and I may want to try it out, especially if it's a homegrown brand. I would really want to use it and talk about it on my YouTube and Instagram. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day ahead, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.